Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, but much cooler to start the day as we have some pleasant weather ahead of us. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have some showers that have been pushing through the area this morning. Just a little bit of lightning, but not a whole lot of lightning with these showers, with the exception of a few. There's actually a secondary boundary right behind these showers that is kind of another reinforcing shot of some cooler, drier air. And after that pushes through, we'll see things clear out for a nice, pleasant weekend. Take a look at current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning. We have a scattered deck around 8,000 feet and a broken deck at 22,000 feet. Winds are out of the north to northwest at 6 knots, temperature at 72, and relative humidity is at 78%. Looking at the local radar, we can see some of the stronger showers have pushed east off the coast, north of the area, off the Delaware coast. We do have some showers out to our west that are approaching, continuing to kind of back build to the south, so we'll be keeping an eye on those as we go through the morning hours. Otherwise, zooming out and looking at the visible satellite radar, you can see plenty of cloud material in the area ahead of this front, and then much clearer, cooler and drier conditions back behind the front to the northwest. And we can see again here some of the better vertical development with the showers is happening off to our west, and that will be approaching the area, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model to see how things play out today and into tomorrow, we see as we approach the 10 o'clock hour, we'll have that boundary kind of pushing over the Wallops area and along a chance of some showers with that boundary pushing over, and just a slight chance of maybe seeing some lightning in the area. And then that will continue to push through, and we'll get a break, not a washout by any means with this front, just a few passing showers and a slight chance of a passing thunderstorm as well. But otherwise, as that front pushes through, we do see some indication that we could have a few pop-ups on the back end of that front that will linger around in the later afternoon, and then that will continue to push off the coast, and we'll see cloud cover start to clear up and have a mostly clear end of the evening into the morning hours for our Saturday. And then Saturday looks mostly sunny to partly cloudy, a nice pleasant day. And then as we go into Saturday evening and into Sunday, we'll see a little increase in the cloud cover, becoming partly to mostly cloudy for our Sunday, and then we could see this next bit of energy that will be diving into the area late in the evening into the overnight hours Sunday evening, and bring us some unsettled weather for the start of the next work week. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we start off yellow for precip and continue that through the 20 local time frame, and we have yellow for lightning through the 16 or 4 p.m. local time frame. We do expect that slight chance of some showers moving through with that boundary, and then just a 20% chance of seeing some lightning with any of those showers that potentially develop a little more unsettled as they push through. We'll probably get a break after the 14 or 2 p.m. time frame, and then we could see that chance of those pop-up showers, and maybe even a 15% chance of seeing lightning with one of those pop-up showers after the 16 or 4 p.m. local time frame, and that should start to taper off in the 6 to 8 p.m. range, and then things will be dry. Again, not expecting an absolute washout with any of these, just some passing showers, and maybe some of them could potentially put off some lightning. Otherwise, expecting highs to get into the low to possibly mid-80s, but likely staying in the low 80s as we go throughout the day today. Winds will be out of the north-northwest to north-northeast as we go through the day at 5 to 10 knots, with a few peak gusts up to 15 knots. And then we'll see those winds start to taper off as we go through the evening, becoming more northerly and quite light as we go into the morning hours Saturday, expecting a low down to 65, so very nice and pleasant low temperature this evening as the skies start to clear. Otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment, and as we look at the weekend forecast, things are looking very nice. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy for our Saturday, and a pleasant day with a high just of 83, so slightly below average for this time of year. That trend continues for Saturday night, partly cloudy conditions with a low of 64. And as we go into Sunday, another cool day, partly to mostly cloudy as those clouds start to build in ahead of that next disturbance with a high of 82. We are green for weather risk across for the weekend, and not expecting that disturbance to reach the area till after the midnight hour Sunday evening. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.